Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Indira, dealing the course Probiotics and Functional Foods. Today, we will see the topic that is the maintenance of probiotic microorganisms. So, how to maintain probiotic microorganisms in viable conditions? So, that we will see in this topic. So, the preservation of probiotics is essential to maintain its therapeutic benefits and viability throughout their shelf life. So, if the probiotic organism is not viable, so it won't show any therapeutic benefit. So, that's why we need to preserve carefully, and the preserved product should maintain the viability throughout the shelf life of that product. So, this process involves a combination of appropriate storage conditions, formulation techniques, and regular evaluation of their potency and viability. So first, the storage conditions. The viability of probiotic microorganisms is significantly influenced by how they are stored. Generally, freeze drying, that is nothing but lyophilization, is commonly employed technique. So in this freeze drying techniques, we will remove the water from the probiotic culture. So the culture becomes dried form, and this dried form of the dried form or powdered form of the probiotic organism maintains the stability and extends the shelf life without the need for refrigeration. So this is one of the and commercially available method and very useful method for preserving the probiotic organisms. So this process ensures that probiotics remain dormant until rehydrated for use. So they will maintain in the dormant stage. Whenever we require that product, if we add medium, then becomes like microorganisms. So until in the freeze-dried form, it is in the dormant and rehydrated for use. So making it ideal for products like powders and capsules. On the other hand, refrigeration is the another essential storage method that slows down the metabolic activity and prevents the cell degradation, particularly in liquid formulations. So this is the another method where we can store the cultures in the refrigerated, but the organism must be in the liquid form. But however, temperature fluctuations can still impact the longevity and efficacy of probiotics, which is why consistent storage conditions are critical for maintaining their potency, particularly in the refrigerated conditions. So, formulation techniques while preparing the product. So, formulation techniques also we need to consider. So, in which formulation we are preparing this particular probiotic product, whether it is in the form of powder or it is in the form of liquid or it is in the form of capsule. So, generally the probiotic products are prepared in various forms like powders, capsules, and liquids. Each formulation has unique benefits and challenges are there. If you take powders, these are popular because they are versatile and can be only easily mixed into foods or supplements, but they require proper encapsulation or stabilization to prevent the moisture uptake and degradation. So when we are preparing powder forms, we need to go for encapsulation so that the probiotic product is in stable condition. So it prevents the moisture absorption and it prevents the degradation of the organism. In case of capsules, they deliver directly to the gastrointestinal tract, bypasses the harsh conditions of the stomach, but their formulation must ensure stability during storage and handling. So in capsules form is nothing but the probiotic powder is enclosed in a capsulating material like polymers. So it can directly we can deliver into the gastrointestinal tract. So it bypasses the stomach environment. So where the harsh conditions, that is the more acidic nature, will be avoided. So in this case, we need to maintain the stability during storage as well as handling. In case of liquid probiotic formulations, rapid delivery is there and sensitive to temperature, light, and thus requires strict storage conditions to preserve the microbes viability. So each formulation type needs to be carefully designed to maintain the activity of probiotic from production to consumption. Then, after formulation, after storage, then we need to check periodic evaluation of viability and potency, whether it is maintaining or not. So regular monitoring of probiotics is necessary to ensure they maintain their desired potency and functionality throughout their shelf life. This involves periodic assessments of colony-forming units to confirm that number of viable microorganisms match the specifications stated on the product label. So we need to do periodically. So these evaluations often include assessing the probiotic ability to withstand the environmental stresses like temperature changes and the presence of additives and preservatives. So these may also sometimes affect the product viability. So periodically we need to check the colony-forming units, and they are compared with the colony-forming units specified on the label. Periodic testing also helps identify any loss of potency due to storage conditions or formulation processes, ensuring that only effective probiotics reach the consumer. Suppose in regular monitoring, if the probiotic product loses its potency, we can remove that product from the market. So periodic testing is always required to ensure that the probiotic organism is maintaining the potency or not. Thank you.